Hello, I'm going to show you how to use a new application we've got in the assignment section called Documents. What that allows you to do is it enables a tutor or a teacher to upload any tasks or essays, or it could even be a test written by a teacher, like a little impromptu progress test if teachers make their own. So let me just show you and then you'll get a better idea of what I'm talking about. You go to assignments and add a new assignment, and what you're after is document. So let's just give this assignment a name. So we'll call this essay 1. And let's use this one that I've made already. Smartphones have a negative effect on society. And you could say don't forget to use the linking words. Okay, so don't forget, you don't have to use this for essays. You could also use it to send students a test online that they can do if you're making up your own tests. So once you've created your Word document, it could be a test, it could be a title of an essay with instructions, just upload it. So let's search for it here. There we go. So now it's been uploaded. Submit. Just give it a name. And if you have your class lists uploaded, you can choose your class and submit. And these are the students it's going to in your class. So now what will the students see? Well, if I log in as one of the students, I've made up a student called Hannah Mertens. Okay, so let's just go to the study page. They'll get the assignment on the study page, and we need to update the browser. There we go, there's the smartphones essay. So this student logs in, and then they'll click on view assignment, and you'll see that here's the document that they need to complete. So they click on the link, they can save it onto their desktop or open it. So now it's opening on my desktop. So I'm a student, I'll write something back. So I can say, here's my answer: smartphones are fantastic. And they can save that. Call it something like Hannah answer. So that's the name they're giving to their answer. So once they've saved that, they can then go back, and it says browse. So this is, once again, this is Hannah's login, so they can just upload it and submit it. And there we go. So now for Hannah it says waiting for teacher response. So when your teacher responds, it will appear here. So now let's go back in as the teacher. We'll just move this out of the way. So the teacher then goes to their study page. Goes to assignments. And they need to add their assignment to their collection. So the teacher's name is Jane Smith. And there we go, smartphones essay. So they click on view assignment. It says, you have signed up for your own assignments. You may want to go to the assignment report. And here's the report. It's got the ID of the student, the name of the student, it's got the date of Hannah's last submission, and if you click on that it will open up Hannah's Word document. You can give a response here. You can give a grade here, but obviously I think you'll probably give a grade and a response on the actual document itself. So once you open it up, you can just put it onto your desktop, and then you'll open it and you can write anything you want to. So there we can see Hannah's response: smartphones are fantastic. And as the teacher, you might want to choose a different colour. Well done, Hannah. Obviously I hope your teacher's feedback will be a bit more complex and useful than that. So then you just save your document as you would any other document. You could call this teacher, call it anything you want, but teacher response. And then we'll save that. Okay, so now we need to put that onto the platform for Hannah. So if you're using Google Chrome as I am, you can drag it in. So let's get my document. I'm going to drag that in here. So there it is. And then I'm going to click on Save. There we go. Okay, so now if we go back to Hannah's account and we refresh the page, you see that Hannah now has the teacher's response. So you get this kind of thread like you would see on a smartphone for your text messages perhaps. So every entry in the thread will go from top to bottom. So the most recent will appear at the bottom, and obviously the originals will appear at the top. So you can keep on adding things to that if you need to, and as I said before, you don't just have to do essays. You could also, if teachers create their own little tests and they don't want to have a static test to choose from on the platform, they could just type in their test or a quiz into a Word document and use this feature, and it's called Documents, and it's in the assignments section. So have a little try of that, and if you think it's useful, let me know. If you get stuck with anything, just let me know as well. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye.